Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be tackling a common issue, that is how to fix the backup camera on your Chevy Trax if it is not working. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, in your car, you need to check if the camera lens is actually clean. Sometimes dirt, moisture or debris can block the view, so you need to wipe it gently with a soft cloth. If the lens is clear, the next step is to actually check the wiring, because sometimes loose and damaged wires can actually cause the camera to stop working. You need to also make sure that the connections are secure and there is no visible frizz. Another thing to check is the fuse. The blown fuse can actually stop the camera from functioning, so you need to head to your fuse box and look for the fuse related to the camera system. If it is blown, you need to replace it immediately with a new one. Lastly, if none of the method works here, it could be a software related issue, so you can try restarting your car, or if the problem persists, you can visit to a mechanic, because mechanic might be needed to actually fix the camera system. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.